The lines are blurred in the city streets where power and promises always meet. They speak of freedom but tighten chains. Silence covers the truth that remains. Big hands of greed shape all we see. They speak of progress but steal liberty. Yet from the shadows a voice takes flight. A rebel's song, a call for what's right. Chains of freedom, they hold us tight. We'll break them down, we'll find the light. Lift your voice, let the people sing. Rise together, change everything. In 1984, the truth was erased. In brave new world, our hearts replaced. They've built their towers, their walls of steel, a cage of comfort that numbs what we feel. The cameras blink, the wires hum. They take our minds, but we won't succumb. For every story that they suppress, a spark of hope burns to address. Chains of freedom, they hold us tight. We'll break them down, we'll find the light. Lift your voice, let the people sing. Rise together, change everything. But the people rise, their voices loud. A symphony builds from the silence crowd. They divide and conquer, tear us apart, but they can't extinguish the fire in our hearts. We've seen their games, their tricks, their lies, but the chains will break when we unify. No more towers watching, all we do, we'll build a world that's fair and true. Chains of freedom, they hold us tight. We'll break them down, we'll find the light. Lift your voice, let the people sing. Rise together, change it. Let freedom reign.
Executives join in unveiling monuments marking the completion of the $47 million project. Two good neighbors with but one goal, the cause of true peace.